In this quick video, I am going to show you how to change location in Upwork profile. So first of all, log in with your credentials on Upwork. Once you logged in here, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you click on it, now go to account settings and here make sure to select contact info. Now scroll down here and click on this pencil icon next to the location. So we just need to click here and now you'll be able to edit your location info. And now you can update anything on your address. So suppose if I want to change my address here, I want to make it like this, and now I also want to change my city name, so I want to update it to Delhi city. From here you can also change your postal code. I want to set my postal code to this, and now to update these changes we need to tap on update and then it will update our changes. For security purposes, Upwork may prompt you to re-enter your password. If so, enter your password and click continue. And that's the process to update your location on Upwork. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.